Hey pretties, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is sponsored by Boucleme. Boucleme has gifted me these products to review for you guys. I'll be reviewing the exfoliating scalp shampoo along with the intensive moisture treatment. Boucleme is a black owned brand that is plant-based and sulfate free. It nourishes fragile hair from inside out with the use of plant extracts and sumptuous scents. Today I'll be showing you guys how I use my Boucleme products during my wash day routine. So first I'm going to start with the scalp shampoo. So in order to use the scalp shampoo, you want to first soak your hair, get it as wet as possible, and that's literally what I'm doing. I'm just rinsing this residue from buildup out of my hair before I go in with the scalp shampoo. So I take the scalp shampoo and I just apply a lot, honestly, to my hands, and I focus that at my root and my scalp and just massage that in. Now this scalp shampoo does have exfoliating beads and like a peppermint feel to it, so it feels so great on your scalp. Like, I literally love this scalp shampoo. But yeah, I just focus that on the scalp. As you can see, it doesn't really set up as much as regular shampoo would, or it doesn't really set up at all, but it feels so great, and it feels like you're getting that cleanse, and it leaves you with that refreshing feel on your scalp. Like, it just feels so bomb. I will definitely be incorporating this into all of my wash day routines now. So yeah, I just use this product at the root of my hair. Like I said, you guys can see me massaging it in, getting it all good and clean, okay? So before rinsing out the scalp shampoo, I want to go in at the ends of my hair and get that all cleaned up. So I use my Olaplex shampoo. I really do live for Olaplex, if you don't know. But yeah, I just went in with the Olaplex shampoo while the scalp shampoo was still at my root, exfoliating the heck out of my head. It felt so good, okay? So yeah, I'm just using that shampoo, and I actually went in with some more of that scalp shampoo just because I loved how it felt, and I just felt like my scalp just needed a good cleanse. So I went in with some more of that product and just focused that at the root of my hair once again, getting me a good little cleanse. So that's what you guys see me doing here before I go ahead and condition my hair. So now you guys are going to see me follow up with my Olaplex bonding maintenance conditioner. So yeah, I just apply that like you would on a normal wash day. Just applying that conditioner to my head. Honestly, I apply a lot of conditioner. I'm very heavy handed with my products, but you know, to each his own. So I'm just applying that conditioner and moisturizing my head, getting that conditioner to soak and sit before I start detangling it. Then I just go in with my detangling brush, give that a good comb out, make sure everything is nice and unmatted while that conditioner seeps into my head a little bit more before we go ahead and get into the product that I cannot wait to use, you guys. So yeah, you guys stay tuned for what's to come next. I'm so excited to use this mask that I'll be using, and yeah, I actually loved it, loved it, loved it. You guys will see the results at the end, but yeah, let's just go ahead and let y'all watch this till I start applying that mask. Oh yeah, and this is how much hair came out. Not too much. I feel like I did really good on my shedding. It was very minimal shedding, and we love to see it. So yeah, I'm just rinsing out this conditioner now before we go ahead and apply this mask. Okay, so now that we're done shampooing, this is what my curls are looking like. As you can see, they are damaged. Like here is a curl, but then over here is not. So we're gonna put in this treatment, this mask, and hopefully, I'm hoping that I really do enjoy this. This is the Boucleme Curls Redefined Intensive Moisture Treatment. So I'm going to be sectioning my hair and applying this. It says apply to clean wet hair and detangle. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Add heat for extra deep treat. Rinse well, and it also can be used as a leave-in. So I'm just going to put this in my hair and leave it in until I figure out the next style that I want to do to my hair, because there's no point of, you know, not letting it get a deep treatment if I don't even know what I'm gonna do to it yet. So that's what we're gonna be doing with this. So this is what this product is looking like. And y'all, that scalp shampoo is having my scalp feel so open, and like the products would penetrate through my scalp. So we love that feeling. It was like a peppermint type of feel to your head, if you guys know what I mean. So I really do like the scalp shampoo. It is just literally for your scalp. So that's why you guys see me go in with my regular shampoo at the ends of my hair. And it also has like little exfoliating beads in the shampoo, so it helps exfoliate your scalp. But as far as this mask, this smells like Live. I don't know if y'all know what Live is, but like Live is like something that, you know, people used to use on kids as they grew up. That's what the smell reminds me of. Or cholesterol. I think that's what it's called. But this is what it looks like. Hold on. This is what it looks like. This is the texture of it. It's like a creamy texture, if you guys could see that. And yeah, so I'm going to just split my hair in half. Honestly, since I don't have that much hair, I could just do one half at a time. So I'm gonna just split it in two. Take the mask. And another great thing about these products is that they are plant-based, which means they're sulfate free and they don't have any chemicals in them. So, you know, we love a natural product that is good for your hair. It has some great slip on here, so if you did want to use this as a leave-in conditioner for a wash and go, then I say that it would be fine. And it doesn't take a lot of products. I am kind of heavy-handed with products, period, just because I feel like my hair just does not sop it up unless it's a lot of product on it. Like, so I'm just gonna focus that on the ends. Take my detangling brush. Just detangle that. And as you guys could see, my curls are practically gone. And then they're also weighed down by the product, so yeah. But I will say that it makes my hair feel really, really soft for starters. And I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. And I was gonna leave this in my hair, as I mentioned earlier, but I may come back tomorrow and rinse it out just to show you guys the curl definition and see like my final review on this product. So I said that I would come back after I rinsed out the product, and this is what my hair is looking like. You could see like a little bit of curls or like a waviness coming back, but mind y'all, my hair was literally back straight. It didn't have any curly texture, so I would say that this is improvement. My hair does feel very much more soft and stuff like that, so I actually love this product, and I feel like with over time it will convert my hair back to normal. So I'm super excited. I love the scalp shampoo as well. It just works wonders and makes your scalp feel so good, and it just feels like the products are actually penetrating through your scalp because of like the minty, you know, peppermint feel. So I love that. But I will most definitely keep you guys updated with when it comes to the moisture mask, because I really feel like it's gonna help my curls out, and I'm excited to see the outcome of that. So yeah, this is what I'm looking like right now. My hair is like super soft, so I do love that. Once again, I'm sorry I keep saying it, but my hair was literally feeling like Brillo pad, and now it's feeling like Silk Sonic. So that's that on that. But I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to shop Boucleme because they got the products for the colored girls, okay? Period. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys. Bye.